Welcome to ZS Auto Car, your ultimate destination for the latest car reviews, automotive news, and next-generation performance machines. Today, we're diving deep into something that's shaking the entire automotive world, the official reveal of the all-new next-generation 2026 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170. This isn't just another muscle car, it's a powerhouse that redefines speed, power, and American engineering. Dodge has officially unleashed its next-generation beast, and trust me, this car is built to terrify the competition. The 2026 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170 is more than just a car, it's a legend reborn. Dodge has taken everything enthusiasts loved about the previous Demon and turned it up to an entirely new level. This next-gen monster is a perfect blend of old-school rawness and futuristic innovation. The moment you look at it, you know it means business. The design screams aggression, from its massive front grille to its sculpted wide-body stance. The hood scoop has grown even larger, feeding more air into that monstrous engine beneath, while the LED headlights give it a sinister, predatory look. Every curve, vent, and line on this car has been aerodynamically optimized to handle insane speeds and deliver maximum downforce. Under the hood lies the heart of this raging beast, an updated 6.2-liter supercharged Hemi V8 engine. But here's where things get even more interesting. Dodge has integrated an advanced hybrid assist system to create the most powerful Demon ever made. The combined output is an unbelievable 1,100 horsepower and 950 pound-feet of torque when using high-performance E85 fuel. That's right, this next-generation Demon isn't just breaking records, it's destroying them. The 2026 SRT Demon 170 rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in an insane 1.6 seconds, making it one of the quickest production cars ever built. The quarter mile, less than 8.7 seconds, pure madness. Dodge engineers have taken innovation to new heights. The hybrid system doesn't just add efficiency, it enhances performance. The electric assist provides instant torque, helping eliminate lag and delivering immediate acceleration. The new 8-speed dual-clutch transmission has been fine-tuned for lightning-fast shifts, giving drivers total control during drag runs or highway sprints. And yes, the Demon 170 still comes with the signature launch control and line lock systems that made its predecessors famous, only now, they're even smarter and faster thanks to AI-based calibration. The 2026 SRT Demon 170 has also gone through a major weight optimization process. Dodge used lightweight aluminum panels, carbon fiber components, and a redesigned suspension system that improves both drag strip and street performance. The car sits lower, wider, and meaner than ever before. The adaptive suspension setup continuously monitors traction, road surface, and speed, adjusting damping in milliseconds for perfect stability. Whether you're on a straight drag strip or carving through curves, this car delivers unmatched confidence and precision. Step inside, and the interior perfectly matches its extreme performance. The cockpit has been designed to make the driver feel like they're piloting a rocket. You're greeted by a massive 15-inch curved digital display that merges performance data, infotainment, and real-time telemetry in one clean interface. The new Uconnect 6.0 software supports AI-powered voice commands, real-time performance tracking, and even over-the-air updates. The seats are lightweight racing-style buckets wrapped in Alcantara and leather, built for grip during high-speed launches. The steering wheel features performance paddles and custom drive mode selectors, while the cabin lighting reacts to the car's RPM, glowing red as the revs climb. But it's not all about luxury, it's about dominance. The 2026 Demon 170's cockpit also comes equipped with Dodge's latest performance AI system, a smart assistant that learns your driving habits and adjusts throttle response, traction settings, and suspension behavior to match your personal style. Whether you're launching down a drag strip or just showing off on city streets, this car adapts to you. The sound of the 2026 SRT Demon 170 is pure adrenaline. The redesigned quad exhaust system produces an explosive roar that's louder, deeper, and more aggressive than ever. You can switch between 4 sound modes, from quiet mode for late-night drives to track fury mode, which unleashes the full demonic soundtrack of that supercharged V8. Every rev sends chills down your spine, reminding you that this is still a true muscle car at heart. On the outside, Dodge is offering an exclusive range of new color options, including Hellfire Red, Phantom Black, Electric Storm Blue, and Venom Silver. Each color has been designed to highlight the muscular curves and performance lines of the Demon 170. The forged lightweight wheels come wrapped in custom drag radial tires built specifically to handle the car's massive torque. At high speeds, the active rear spoiler and underbody diffusers automatically adjust for better aerodynamics and increased downforce. Even with all that power, Dodge hasn't ignored safety. The 2026 Demon 170 comes with advanced traction management, electronic stability control, adaptive cruise assist, and real-time power distribution monitoring. The braking system has been upgraded to carbon ceramic brakes for immense stopping power and heat resistance. In the world of performance cars, the 2026 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170 is not just a step forward, it's a leap into the future. Dodge has proven once again that pure American muscle can evolve without losing its soul. The Demon 170 combines raw, mechanical aggression with smart hybrid technology, creating a car that's as intelligent as it is powerful. It's a modern-day masterpiece designed to destroy the competition while paying tribute to the golden age of muscle cars. So, the question is, are we looking at the last great muscle car of the combustion era or the beginning of a new generation of performance legends? Whatever the answer, the 2026 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170 has already earned its place in history as one of the wildest, fastest, and most advanced muscle cars ever built. This is ZS Auto Car, bringing you the latest updates from the world of high-performance machines. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car reviews, next-gen launches, and automotive content that keeps your passion alive. The 2026 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170 isn't just a car, it's the ultimate definition of American power reborn.